Hi, I am Captain Salsa and I will show you how you can use the rhythm in salsa. "90% of song is in 2/3 clave system, where you have 2 hits in first bar and 3 hits in second bar. 2, 3, 5, and 8. Only 10% is in 3/2 clave system, 1 and 4, 6, 7. This is so important for us, for the dancer, because it's completely different feeling and dynamic. I'm huge fan on one, dancing on one, if I hear 3/2 clave system, because I'm exactly in the rhythm. And I will definitely want to use only bass and clave. I'm a huge fan on 2 if I hear 2/3 clave song where bass is on 4 and 8. And I want emphasize and use 3 rhythms together: bass, tumbao, and clave. If you want shine during the party, use the footwork and rhythm. Two-3 clave, I want to dance on 2, and first, this is the bass.
Para gozar y bailar la gente dice.
I hear tumbao like in this pattern. Pa tukutukum kumpakutum tukutum. Important in the second bar. Player will play on 2 instruments, conga and tubadora, and he will switch the hand on the second biggest instrument, tumadora, kukum. Pa tuku tukum kumpakum kukum.
Recordando los tiempos del Palladium. Oye del trópico.
Pa tukum kumpakutum kukum.
Y en Puerto Rico la playa el humillo.
Clave is like that. 5 and 8, 2, 3, and put the transition end. 5 and 8, 2, 3, and 5 and 8. Transition, it is 4. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. 2, 3, and 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Salsa, especially in son montuno, has very clear clave in break section. This is the bridge between the part of the salsa. 5 and 8, 2, 3 and 5 and 8. 5 and 8. I will dance on 2 and coming the break, and I will use the clave. Five and 8. You are the dancer, and we need only 3 main rhythms: bass, tumbao, and clave. Use the bass like the fundament for your legs, and tumbao for be much more dramatic during the dance. Now I will use counting 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Next I will switch to the bass, next tumbao, next clave, and next I will put together. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I will switch bass. I hear that break is coming. I will clap bass. Boom, 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 boom.
¿Dónde podré evocarte si no en tu risa? Tu risa de jardín y primavera. ¿Dónde podré evocarte si no en tu risa? Tu risa de jardín y primavera.
Now together.
Auténtica locura que acaricia mi voluntad que acaba por tenerla. Qué manera de quererte, qué manera. Qué manera de quererte, qué manera. ¿Dónde podré soñarte si no en tus ojos?
Now, salsa on one. Salsa on one, when I hear the 3-2 clave or basses on one. A, E, A, 6, 7, and. Boom, 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 bim, boom, clave. 1 and 4, 6, 7. 1 and 4, 6, 7, and. Clave is like that. 1 and 4, 6, 7, and. Bass is on 1. Coming the break. Ba, e, boom, Now I will emphasize the clave during the basic step. Means 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And clave is like that. 1, 2, kum. Nothing 5, 5, like nothing 5, and now 6, 7 the clave.
La maman, le papa et le grand fils aîné qui à 40 ans n'était toujours pas marié. Un jour il trouva la fille qu'il voulait. Il dit à son père, je voudrais l'épouser. Hélas mon garçon, hélas tu ne peux pas. Quand cette fille est ta mère ne le sait pas.
It was just shortcuts. Now let's begin. Let's start and be inspired.